Hello, welcome back to my channel, Magst Stand Kit. Check this one out. It's Magst Stand, a very amazing way to uplift your selfie-taking experience like never before. Magst Stand comes from Craft Geek. These are the original creators of the selfie stick. So what does this do? Great question. Well, there's 3 components to Magst Stand. Let's dive in. The first is a MagSafe compatible selfie stick that's Bluetooth compatible. It's the tallest MagSafe selfie stick that has a height of 5 feet and 4.5 inches. This isn't an ordinary selfie stick, though. It turns into a sturdy, amazing tripod. The tripod is fully height adjustable, and so you can capture the perfect shot. You can use it as a desktop tripod at a mere 11 inches in height, or expand it all the way to 5 inches. Magst Stand comes with a Bluetooth remote so you can use it from far. It also has a built-in ring light that lets you have 3 different colors to choose from. There's also a power shutter that doubles as a 5,000 milliamp hour power bank and lets you create mount for a standard tripod. The shutter lets you move into the world of DSLR handheld camera by providing a comfortable, steady grip for your phone. The shutter doubles as a desktop mount stand, so you can use it as a wireless charger or keep it plugged in via the USB-C connection at the back. All the components are modular and fit together, so you can create the perfect shot regardless of your environment or battery levels. Transform your chilly days into warm and cozy moments with the SunCoast Heater. It's a clever piece of technology that brings sunshine vibes to your home using infrared magic. It's like having a piece of the sun right inside. SunCoast Heater warms up super fast, reaching a toasty 90 degrees Fahrenheit in just 3 seconds. What's cool is that it does this without making any light, noise, or dust. It's like having a secret sun that doesn't disturb your peace. This heater is super smart with its direct heating, so no warmth goes to waste. It's way more energy efficient than regular heaters. And don't worry about your skin drying out. The SunCoast Heater has got you covered. It's safe, too, with flame retardant and burn-resistant features. Plus, it's portable and looks stylish, fitting right into your space. You can even use it while you sleep. It's quiet and doesn't shine bright, giving you a peaceful night. With SunCoast, you get perfect, direct warmth without any fuss. Sitbs Bleacher seat. Tired of those hard, uncomfortable seats on the bleachers when you go watch your high school team play a sport you don't really understand? Well, say goodbye to that cold bench and say hello to Sitbs, the new portable seat made just for people like you. Sitbs is like a comfy cushion with a backrest. You can sit on it and actually enjoy the game. And the best part? When you're done, it turns into a handy backpack so you can carry it easily to different stadiums. It's like having your own comfy chair that you can take anywhere. But wait, there's more. Sitbs can swivel so you can turn around and catch all the action. And guess what? It's super light, only 15 pounds, and it comes in cool black and gray colors. Upgrade your Bleacher experience with Sitbs. RayQ 128K throwback to computing yesteryear with this retro chic desktop toy. This is RayQ 128K, the multifunctional dock that has a built-in display. This is a jam that looks like the old-school Apple Macintosh from the late 80s, but it actually includes 14 docking ports, a Bluetooth speaker, and the display can be customized. You can show your favorite photos, the time, the date, or any other images you want to display using the built-in display link tech. There is a 7-port portable hub that looks like an old-school keyboard. This hub lets you extend your laptop to 3 screens. It comes with an SD card reader and a 5mm audio jack. There's also an Ethernet port and a whole extra bunch of peripheral plug-in options. Maji Razor. There's an everyday carry that will help you remain smooth and clean. This is a new razor that's set to keep you grooming all day long. This is Maji Razor, a double-edged safety razor that lets you break it down to make it an easy carry. This is a GR5 titanium razor that is highly durable, and the hollow handle removes some weight from the razor, providing a more ergonomic grip. The carry case doubles as a razor stand, and the materials are built to last a lifetime. This is set for adventure hikers that want to be off the grid, but still want a smooth shave everywhere they go. The razor is waterproof and corrosion-proof. You'll always be ready with a clean shave no matter where you go with Maji Razor. Ready to take your party to the next level? Meet the XOI-1, a cool light that does amazing things. It's like a magic lamp that makes your party or meditation time extra special. The XOI-1 has super cool lights that never end thanks to its special mirror design. It's controlled by a smart app, and you can connect up to 100 XOI lights to make a big, awesome light show. It's perfect for parties and even for relaxing moments. The best part? The lights dance to your music. The XOI-1 uses smart technology to match the lights to the beat of your favorite songs. It's like your music comes to life with a colorful and exciting light display. Each song brings a different light show, making it a unique experience every time. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more cool gadgets. Do like, share, and subscribe.